Hi guys, so today I'm going to take a look at the inCharge Mini. So let's open up the box. Oh wow, Wired calls it the world's smallest cable for charging and data transfer. Let's open up the box now and have a closer look. And here we have it, our inCharge Mini with the keyring included. That's actually the most compact cable I've ever seen. And it's available in 4 different connections. Depending on the input, you can plug it into a USB or a USB-C port to charge your phone, tablet, earbuds, and every compatible device. Moreover, it supports both charging and data transfer. inCharge Mini is made to save your phone when you most need it. Like that time when you had your train ticket on your phone, but your phone was dead. Or when you had your power bank, but you forgot this big bunch of cables with you. Or like that time when she sent you that pic. While being as small as a peanut and weighing only 10 grams, it is 2 N52 magnets on the bottom, so you can attach it to your keyring, on your backpack, or wherever you prefer. Basically, you will always have the right cable to charge your phone without even having to think about it. inCharge Mini is made to last forever, composed by zinc aluminium alloy housings, TPU cable guard, and 90 braided copper wires protected by TPU reinforcement and a nylon external layer. You couldn't even break it, even if you wanted to. Anyway, inCharge Mini is available in USB or USB-C to Lightning. They are MFi Certified and USB or USB-C to USB-C, charging up to 15 watts. Alright guys, you can get your own inCharge Mini directly from Rolling Square. They're doing a special launch right now, and for the next 7 days, you can get your own inCharge Mini at a highly discounted price.